Hi everyone, welcome to Karen from tillycrafts.stampinup.net. I thought I'd just jump on and bring you, sorry about covering the camera up there, a little unboxing. It's only a very tiny little unboxing. I did this the other week when the retiring list came out, so because these are carrying over, I thought I'd get them. You can get them as bundles, but I didn't particularly want the dies. But I love this, and it is like a distinctive one. It's got a lovely little dotage, so textured floral. I decided to have that, and it is a photopolymer. As you can see, I've had a little play with it, so I really like that. This one, I fell in love with. Janice from Jazzle Dazzle sent me a card with white trees on it, a Christmas card, and it was lovely. But I really do like this, and I like the trees in it. This is a red rubber stamp. See, brand new, got a little snow, so I'm looking forward to having a play with that. Again, I didn't get the dies, I just wanted the trees, the stamp set. This one I absolutely love, textured timber, great for backgrounds and things like that. So I've got a card coming out. I have had a little play with this one, and there will be a card coming out on the 1st of May using this. So hopefully you'll like that. And this, I only got the papers in Celebration. Really liked them. Then forgot about the stamp set. So as it's carrying over, it won't be a bundle when it carries over. So I thought I'd get it at the bundle price. So I got the stamp set and the dies for this one. So that'll be a good thing to use. And I absolutely love this ribbon. It's Bubble Bath, Azure Afternoon and Lemon Lolly. I'm actually not sure if this is carrying over or not, but I love it anyway, so I will use that up. So I thought I might as well get it now. I don't know if you've noticed, I was getting myself all confused with what's in the catalogue, what's online, what's in the annual, the minis and stuff like that. So I decided to actually colour code them now, so I know where I'm at. So anything in the annual catalogue has got a pink dot on it. Anything that's online has a Orchid Oasis dot on it. There's some sets I won't part with, so they've got a Mango Melody sticker on it, hence this one. Notes of Nature, love that, can't part with that. And then I'll choose a colour for when we get like the winter catalogue, you know, the is it September to December catalogue, and then when we get the spring mini catalogues. So I'll choose a colour for them. It just makes it easier when, if I'm filming, I can say, oh yeah, this is online, or yes, this is in the annual catalogue. So it helps me a bit. But I thought I'd just share that with you. It's only a quick one. I did have a lot of other stuff in my box that came, but I don't think you want to see basic white cardstock. I got a couple of packets of the thick and the thin, like dimensionals, foam pads, a Winker Stella, and some bits and bobs like that, and cutting plates. I got some new cutting plates because mine were getting really bent. So that's what else I got as well. I am waiting on a pre-order with new stuffs, but it got stuck, so I'm hoping that will be here. It says Thursday, so I'm hoping it is Thursday, and then I will do an unboxing with new stuffs for you. So thank you very much for joining me, and hope to speak to you all again soon. Bye.